With land, you have very little maintenance or no maintenance because you don't need to pay utility bills, mortgages, insurance, or roof repairs and replacements. Property taxes are the cheapest on raw land because your property doesn't demand unexpected costs while silently increasing in value. Now, on your notes that I want you to write down this term, okay? The term is called land banking. Land banking. Some people decide to put their money in gold, and as the federal government continues to print money, so far from January 1st of this year, the federal government has printed $3.7 trillion in new money. Now understand, you guys, that when we are printing $3.7 trillion in new money, it puts more money into the marketplace and the cash that you have on hand goes down in its spending power. So what some people will do, instead of stockpiling dollars, they will stockpile gold, because as the dollar gets weaker, gold gets more valuable. But a better strategy than gold is land, right? If you want to carry $50,000 in gold, go buy a lot for $50,000 somewhere, because it's going to retain its value better than gold, in my opinion. And if you follow the next steps of what we're going to be teaching you, it's going to be significantly more valuable than anything gold is going to do. Raw land is an appreciating asset for two simple reasons. There is a limited supply, and there is and will continue to be an increasing demand, and there is a finite amount of available land. And it's not a question of whether land appreciates, but rather how much land appreciates and over what period of time.